Welcome back. We've got Captain Will Davis from the Joplin Police Department joining us in studio. Thanks for coming in so early this morning.
No problem at all. Thanks for having me.
Some big changes about to happen in the department.
Yeah, we're coming up on Chief Rowland's last week at the Joplin Police Department.
Wow.
We're sad to see him go, but we're very excited for him. He's done a lot of great things for the department, a lot of great things for the city of Joplin, and again, we're sad to see him go, but we're really happy for him and all the accomplishments he's had.
Let's talk about some of those accomplishments and when he took the reins.
Yeah, so to me, the last 3 years, when you look back, he's had a lot of things that he's had to work through, a lot of tough times. And so you think that we started off with a pandemic, working through things that, in the last 100 years, police chiefs haven't had to think about. So kind of the, formulating a response from a law enforcement perspective to those has been really intriguing. And then, of course, the death of Corporal Ben Cooper and Officer Jake Reed. Just losing one officer is hard enough, but losing two and then at the exact same time, it's something that a lot of people don't understand. The intricacies of how all that works, the response to it, what it goes into it, and so. And how
you, while it's hurting you too, because you know these people, you have to stay strong because you're the leader. Absolutely.
So he did a fantastic job with that. And then the city had a cybersecurity event here the last couple of years, and he actually kind of had to lead the response to that initially, and so he's had a lot of big things on his plate while still working through normal operations of a police department.
All right. Do we have plans for a transition, or how is that going to happen?
Yeah, so Assistant Chief Brian Lewis, he's going to be interim chief effective on June 2nd. June 1st is Chief Rowland's last day, and so Assistant Chief Lewis will take the reins, and they're just now, I believe this week, starting the process to start the national search to bring in the next head of the Joplin Police Department. So we're excited. We're hoping that maybe by the end of summer or early fall that we kind of know who's going to be taking over the reins of the police department.
All right. Well, I mean, Joplin is a great community. He's done a wonderful job.
Yeah. 35 years. Hats off to him. That's a long time and done a fantastic job. So very proud.
All right. Now, I know we weren't planning on talking about this, but it's Memorial Weekend. It's always a big weekend for Joplin and the police department as well. You guys ready?
Yeah, absolutely. Yep. So we'll, additional staffing, kind of, monitoring things, and of course have, normal patrols and everything going on. And we're just asking that everybody kind of be responsible and have a good, safe, enjoyable Memorial Day weekend. And hopefully we're keeping the fingers crossed goes off with no big issues.
Yep. We want to come back to next week with no problems.
That's absolutely, absolutely. And of course, if anybody has anything, if they have any questions, they can feel free to always call in. We'd love to talk to people and address any issues that we can. So, feel free to reach out, or send us a message online or through social media, whatever it is. We'd like to help solve those problems.
All right. Well, thank you so much for joining us this
You're welcome.
morning.
You're welcome.
And talking about Chief Rowland as well. He will be missed.
Absolutely.
All right. We'll be right back.